Esisiak kesi ajasi oreret lo atwanyara sama ingito na ekaru kalo kano amaus atupit aina petanu kamanara keda etachelo Isirigin lu Asioman.
It is true, we had an unfortunate incident. Some students connived with a staff who was working in the accounts department to do the unexpected. But I am happy we got the whistleblowers who gave us information early. We intervened, and now the case is being handled.
Joseph Laku loda limit to pit engadan API loko UCC soroti ngesi elimitaibe abu ingala Esisiak aitach ikapun accounta na mam araina esemero Edward Wacha engarni Kinton esemero loko UCC soroti ngese balebe Esisiak kesi aponi kongichundai ebe mam attach tos ikapun kotoma pakna ageunur asrama ona ingito.
And we got information from whistleblower that one of our staff, the assistant and account assistant, seemed to have been communicating something to some student. So me as the principal, I put him down with the management team and said, you tell us, there's this information we are hearing about you. Can you let us know? Or we call these students to testify. There were only 5 students who gave us like whistleblower information. So he admitted, and immediately I took action as accounting officer. I asked him to step aside as we start the investigation. As I talk now, this staff is not with us. I'm told he went away. He disappeared. But I've already reported the case to police. I told the police that when we conclude our investigation, we shall give all the details, even to our might, so that they can now take over from there.
Christine Dutu adiobetikoto Esisiak luko UCC soroti ngese balebe karaida ngesi ekadakalo ilukumina kwataka nyape konyape doroso ne semero kesi achama kisingesi aswama ingito.
Regardless the balance we have, the school has allowed me to sit for exams, and we are going to cooperate with the parents to clear the balance.
UCC soroti neseja asikeda Esisiak luedolete elukumiti akwataka nyare iswamaite ikosim luegelegela. Gabriel Esikukanuka TV East Koibuga soroti.
About the parents, I will get to the parents later. I don't need to worry even the parents, because if for instance we had chased away students, that's when parents would worry. So parents don't need to worry, but the parents of the 130 students, we shall get away with reaching them at the appropriate time.